ServSafe Alcohol Practice Exam questions include alcohol law, recognizing and preventing intoxication, checking identification, and handling challenges from guests. Question 1. What feature is added to minor IDs in most states to indicate it belongs to a minor? A. A state seal. B. A hologram. C. A vertical format. D. A magnetic stripe. Answer C. Question 2. What feature is often added to IDs to keep them secure? A. Blank backs. B. Digitally blurred photos. C. Ultraviolet text and features. D. Toll-free verification hotline numbers. Answer C. Question 3. What might you assume if a guest is nervous when you greet him? A. He is a minor. B. He is intoxicated. C. He is intimidated by you. D. He is uncomfortable in bars. Answer A. Question 4. What should you do if you have checked a guest ID and are still not sure if she is old enough to drink? A. Ask for second valid ID. B. Ask the guest friend to verify her age. C. Ask another server for a second opinion. D. Ask for both certificate or voter's registration card. Answer A. Question 5. What must you do whenever you have to refuse service to a minor? A. Call the police. B. Notify your manager. C. Notify the legal authority. D. Call the Department of Motor Vehicles. Answer B. Question 6. What is the purpose of an ID reader? A. To confirm ID validity. B. To detect holograms on IDs. C. To detect cracks or dents in IDs. D. To display information from barcodes or magnetic stripes. Answer D. Question 7. When must you stop serving alcohol to guests? A. When their BAC is 10 or higher. B. When they do not have a designated driver. C. When they show behavior signs of intoxication. D. When they have finished drinking their second drink. Answer C. Question 8. What should you say to guests when stopping service to them? A. Sorry, sir, but I'm not able to serve you any more alcohol this evening. B. Sorry, sir, but you're having trouble talking, so we think you've had enough. C. Sorry, sir, but you've had enough and I will not be able to serve you any more alcohol. D. Sorry, sir, but you might hurt someone if we gave you another drink, so we can't serve you any more tonight. Answer A. Question 9. What should you do if a guest is intoxicated when he arrives at your establishment? A. Physically prevent him from entering. B. Serve him alcohol if he agrees to take a cab home. C. Take steps to keep him from leaving in that condition. D. Find out where he was drinking previously and report it to the police. Answer C. Question 10. Which of the following is an example of a criminal violation? A. Serving alcohol to a regular. B. Serving alcohol to a pregnant woman. C. Serving alcohol to a guest who is taking medication. D. Serving alcohol to a guest who appears to be intoxicated. Answer D. Question 11. What does civil liability mean for sellers or servers of alcohol? A. They can be held responsible for committing a crime. B. They can be fined for failing to pass a compliance check. C. They can be sued and forced to pay damages for injuries. D. They can be fined for violating the establishment's legal license. Answer C. Question 12. All other factors being the same, whose BAC would be highest after drinking a 12-ounce beer? A. Man age 25. B. Man age 60. C. Woman age 25. D. Woman age 60. Answer D. Question 13. Liquor licenses are issued and monitored by the A. Liquor Authority. B. Local Chamber of Commerce. C. Drug Enforcement Agency, DEA. D. Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco and Firearms, ATF. Answer A. Question 14. How many drinks are in a 2-ounce glass of 100 proof whiskey? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer B. Question 15. How old must you be to purchase alcohol? A. 18. B. 19. C. 20. D. 21. Answer D. Question 16. A person who is complaining about the strength of a drink after drinking others of the same strength is demonstrating what sign of intoxication? A. Relaxed inhibitions. B. Impaired judgment. C. Slowed reaction time. D. Impaired motor coordination. Answer B. Question 17. John drank 6 12-ounce beers from 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. How many drinks still remain in his bloodstream? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer C. Question 18. What is the best type of food to serve to a guest to help prevent intoxication? A. Salty food items. B. Food high in fat. C. Food high in sugar. D. Food high in carbohydrates. Answer B. Question 19. Who will have a higher BAC, a guest who is drinking a martini or a guest drinking a 12-ounce beer? A. The guest drinking the beer. B. The guest drinking the martini. C. Both guests will have the same BAC. D. There is no way to know whose BAC will be higher. Answer D. Question 20. Other than being intact and current, what other features must an ID have in order to be valid? A. Birth date, photo, and signature. B. Birth date, photo, and state seal. C. Birth date, photo, and hologram. D. Birth date, photo, and magnetic stripe. Answer A. Question 21. Which of the following is true related to criminal and civil liability? A. Criminal and civil liability are the same thing. B. Both criminal and civil liability can result in a prison sentence. C. Criminal liability applies to the employees of an establishment, while civil liability applies only to the actual owners. D. Criminal liability is being held responsible for committing a crime, while civil liability is being responsible. Answer D. Question 22. Criminal violations of alcohol-related law may result in which of the following? A. Civil liability. B. Dram shop. C. Payment of damages. D. Prison sentence. Answer C and D. Question 23. Civil penalties may include which of the following? A. Probation. B. Fines. C. Payment of damages. D. Jail time. Answer C. Question 24. Which of the following is true about liquor laws? A. Municipal liquor laws can be stricter than state liquor laws. B. Obtaining a liquor license is the right of every operation. C. Violation of liquor laws will not result in an establishment losing its liquor license. D. Only the local liquor authority has the responsibility for monitoring and enforcing liquor laws. Answer A. D. Question 25. What do dram shop laws allow a person injured by an intoxicated guest to do? A. Sue the business, but not the business owner. B. Sue the business, but not the bartender who served the intoxicated guest. C. Sue the bartender who served the intoxicated guest, but not the business owner. D. Sue the bartender who served the intoxicated guest, the business, and the business owner. Answer D. Question 26. What is the best thing to do when liquor authorities enter your establishment? A. Notify your manager. D. Discreetly ask intoxicated guests to leave. C. Discontinue all alcohol service until the authorities leave. D. Find a co-worker who will confirm to the authorities that you have not been serving minors. Answer A. Question 27. How old must a person be to purchase alcohol in all 50 states? A. 18 years old. B. 19 years old. C. 20 years old. D. 21 years old. Answer D. Question 28. The legal authority can issue a citation to the owner and employees of an establishment for which violation? A. Confiscating a guest ID. B. Stopping service to a guest. C. Failing to check the ID of a guest who appears underage. D. Refusing alcohol service to a guest who was intoxicated upon arrival. Answer C. Question 29. Most of the alcohol that a person drinks is absorbed into the bloodstream from which organ? A. Liver. B. Stomach. C. Small intestine. D. Brain. Answer C. Question 30. It is against the law in all 50 states to drive with what blood alcohol content? BAC. A. 0.03 or higher. B. 0.05 or higher. C. 0.06 or higher. D. 0.08 or higher. Answer D. Question 31. The liver breaks down alcohol in the body at what rate? A. 1 drink per hour. B. 2 drinks per hour. C. 3 drinks per hour. D. 4 drinks per hour. Answer A. Question 32. Who can be sued in a dram shop case? A. The business. B. The business owner. C. The employees of the business. D. The business owner, and employees. Answer D. Question 33. What is the percentage of alcohol in an 80 proof bottle of vodka? A. 10%. B. 20%. C. 30%. D. 40%. Answer D. Question 34. The legal authority can issue citations for what type of violations? A. Confiscating an underage guest ID. B. Selling alcohol to a pregnant woman. C. Selling or serving alcohol when it is not permitted. D. Preventing the entry of an intoxicated guest into the establishment. Answer C. Question 35. How many drinks are in a 3-ounce glass of 80 proof vodka? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer B. Question 36. What is BAC? A. Percentage of alcohol in the brain. B. Percentage of alcohol in the small intestine. C. Percentage of alcohol in the bloodstream. D. Percentage of alcohol broken down by the liver. Answer C. Question 37. A person who is losing their train of thought is demonstrating what sign of intoxication? A. Relaxed inhibitions. B. Impaired judgment. C. Slowed reaction time. D. Impaired motor coordination. Answer C. Question 38. If a man and a woman drank 4 12-ounce beers in an hour, which one will, most likely, have the higher BAC? A. The man. B. The woman. C. They will have the same BAC. D. There is no way to determine who will have a higher BAC. Answer B. Question 39. Which is an acceptable form of identification? A. Passport. B. School ID. C. Birth certificate. D. Voter's registration card. Answer A. Question 40. Which drinks contain the same amount of alcohol? A. 5 ounces of wine, 12 ounces of beer. 1.5 ounces of 80 proof liquor, 1 ounce of 100 proof liquor. B. 3 ounces of wine, 10 ounces of beer, 1 ounce of 80 proof liquor, 1.25 ounces of 100 proof liquor. C. 6 ounces of wine, 12 ounces of beer, 1.25 ounces of 80 proof liquor, 2 ounces of 100 proof liquor. D. 4 ounces of wine, 16 ounces of beer, 1.25 ounces of 80 proof liquor, 1.5 ounce of 100 proof liquor. Answer A. Thank you for watching.